Hi everyone, Dov Hershkovitz, Pipeline Authoring Team. And today I'm going to explain the strategy that we're trying to establish in order to build more content for the CI/CD catalog. As most of you are probably aware, in the coming milestones, we are going to announce the release of the CI/CD catalog as a beta version, where a user will be able to access it. Anyone could be able to access it using the Explore tab. If you go to the Explore tab, you'll see the CI/CD catalog entry point. You click on it and you can see the catalog and the repositories that are containing different components. You can search and view the component that you'd like to use. Now, obviously, one of the things that we would like to make sure is we want to build more content to the CI/CD catalog. And to do that, we are trying to build 3 separate tracks, 3 avenues where users will be able to contribute their content to the catalog. The first one will be the GitLab maintain components. Those will be the certified and approved and maintained GitLab by GitLab team members. And I've created a sub epic for each avenue. So we have like three routes as I explained. So for the GitLab maintain component, let's open the sub epic. So I would expect that most of the GitLab maintain components, at least the beginning, will be composed out of the templates library that we have here. So all those CI templates that we have in our repository would need to be converted into the CI into templates, and those will probably be, and then they will be published to the CI/CD catalog. The certified templates will be hosted under a specific group, okay, and only GitLab team members will be able to move those components or clone those components to that repository. Once a component moves to that repository, they will get the certified by GitLab badge, some sort of a badge or a label, so users will be easier for users to spot them. And it means, as I mentioned, that those components will need to be maintained and supported going forward by GitLab team members. And of course, when we display the content of the catalog, those components will be prioritized. They will be the first one that the users will see. The second avenue is partner certified components. So we want to build, and I'm working with the Alliance team to build some sort of a process that will allow the technology partners to contribute their content to the catalog. Over the last several years, partners had been complaining that it is very difficult to contribute a CI templates to GitLab. If you compare it against our competitors, they are talking about like days versus like months that it took them to contribute components. And obviously, this is one of the benefits that the partners will have by going through this route and basically allowing our partners to contribute components. So it will be easier for their users and our users to see their content. And also those components will carry some sort of a label, partner certified. Those components will be maintained and supported by the partners and not by a GitLab team member, which was also one of the challenges that we've experienced over the last several years. And similar to the GitLab maintain components, those components will also be prioritized when we are displaying the content of the catalog. So if we are looking at the catalog, we'll see the GitLab certified and then partner certified, and the last one will be the community contribution, which leads me to the third avenue, which is the community contribution. And also we have a sub epic here with the issues that we are capturing and the work that needs to be done in order to support it. And basically, this is like I would say like the easiest way for users to contribute components. We will allow any user to contribute their content to the CI/CD catalog For now, the content will not be moderated because we don't want to, first of all, create additional barriers for our users to contribute their content, and we don't want the work for that our engineers will need to go and verify and validate each and every contribution to the catalog. Of course, we can revisit this if we'll see that we are getting too much inappropriate content or components that are not valid. Those labels will carry some sort of a label, community contribution, so users will be able to see, okay, this is not a certified, or it's not made by partners, it's made by community contribution. So, we need to have some, there is a risk of using that for sure. And we have some work that we need to conduct in order to achieve that. That's it, basically. If you have any thoughts, questions, or ideas, feel free to contribute them to the Epic or reach out to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.